Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Chain rule makes this one super fast because we only need to rewrite f prime, plug in x equals 2, and read the table carefully. Differentiate f of x equals h of 2x plus 3. The plus 3 disappears, and h of 2x uses the chain rule, giving f prime of x equals 2h prime. Now plug in x equals 2, so f prime of 2 becomes 2 times h prime of 4. Nice and clean because the inside expression 2x turns into 4. From the table, h prime of 4 is negative 1, so f prime of 2 equals 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2. Well done! Option A. Scan now. The trap is sign mistakes from rushing. Trust the given table values and check each chain rule step.